Welcome back, everyone. Hi there, good day. So let's continue our discussion or our tutorial. So for today, I'm going to just give you a discussion on basic concept in Java, which is comment. So basically, a comment in Java is just it's omitted. It's not being read by our compiler. So our compiler reads from again reads our codes or our code fragments from top to bottom. So starting with right here up to until the bottom. So our compiler would also tell us if we violate some rules, let's say based on what we have discussed earlier. In last this tutorial, that the identifiers should not begin with digits. Like for an instance, uh, so you do something like that. So it should be something like this one, or yeah, you cannot start with uh, number or begin with digits. So again, that's the actually some of the works of compilers. So all right, so let's talk about comments. So comments in Java are just written statements. It's part of the code, but it's not actually included in the as a reading statement. So by our compiler. So it's just used for giving instruction. It's just used for giving explanation. So there are actually three types of comment in Java. Number one is the line comment or single line comment or sometimes we call it black comment. Okay, we also have multi-line comment. So this one is multi line comment. Oops, keyboard is typing it incorrectly. Okay, so you also have this special comment in Java, which is I call it Javadoc comment. Other books actually called it documentary comment or document comment, but I would call it Javadoc comment. So these are three types of comments that you will need to uh, at least familiarize in creating Java programs. So you can actually put this one anywhere. It doesn't matter as long as it will not uh, written before your public class, because it will basically make that public class or that statement as a comment, and therefore your code fragment will not be complete. So again, comments are just used for documentation. So this Javadoc comment, I will be discussing this one to you in our advanced tutorial, because this one is a special comment. So what's actually the difference between all of this? Actually, the line comment and multi-line comment. So the name itself actually explains by its name. And then you can actually it's like how do I say this? I mean, the name itself is actually self-explanatory. Let's say line comment is for single line comment. Let's say for an instance, you have here a declaration of a variable int val, and you will say this is a variable declaration. So that will only use for one line comment. Now, if ever you are going to use, or let's say, multiple line comment, normally this is intended for this program is brought to you by uh, to you. What happened to my keyboard? Brought to you by bygone. But and anyway, multi-line comment is again specifically it's used for creating multiple lines or multiple statements. So basically, you cannot do this as just like above. in the mid I mean along with your other declarations because it's for multi-line comment. So I normally use this comment right here at the top explaining what is this program all about. Okay. And so basically there this one is the opening, it's an opening statement, this is a closing statement. So that's for multi-line comment. And then we have here Javadoc comment. And again, Javadoc comment is a special type of comment. So the only difference with Javadoc comment and multi-line comment, as it is identical, is that it has this one asterisk. So you can, if you are going to type another asterisk after the first asterisk, this one will become a Javadoc comment. So again, I'm going to discuss Javadoc comment in the future. But to give you an idea of what is actually the benefit out of this, if you are going to declare that Javadoc comment inside of your class, is something like you can, let's say I will declare an integer, let's say num equals new integer integer. Okay, so this is actually the work of Javadoc comment. So if ever you are going to put a Javadoc comment in your class or in your method, it will actually give a special definition which you can actually incorporate or integrate other HTML, some basic HTML tags like B or bold, center, and then uh, some other scripting. So that's actually the work of Javadoc comment. So I guess that would be all for today, and thank you guys for listening. Have a great day. Bye.